Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a recipe to lower your blood sugar level as a type 2 diabetic. If your blood sugar level is persistently high and you're having difficulty even managing it with the medication that you are placed on, use this recipe and within an hour you will notice a difference that is coming down from how high it had been. So I'm using beetroot, cucumber and cinnamon. Those three ingredients which I use today to make this smoothie, and you can drink it in the morning or even at night, depends on when you need it. I'm going to use just a teaspoon of cinnamon because I'm not diabetic. If you are diabetic, which this is for, you can use 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon. So in an hour, you should note, when you check your blood sugar, you will note a difference. I am Juliet from Nature's Healing Kitchen. Here we talk about food. Use food and food products as the best, cheapest and safest medicine to keep us healthy and also take back our health when we are sick. We use food and your lifestyle to help you stay healthy and happy. Let's go. So I will use 3 ingredients. 1, beetroot, cucumber and cinnamon. So before I go into it, I tell you a bit about beetroot. When you hear about beetroot, you think of sugar. I know it is sweet, but listen to me, it has a very low calorie value. So, and because it's high in fiber, it does not get converted very quickly to affect your blood sugar level. So with that, it helps you to regulate your blood sugar level. It is rich in fiber, it's rich in folate, it's rich in potassium, iron. Look at the color even. The color of it is rich in iron and vitamin C. So all these vitamins and minerals, they help you in maintaining your wellness. Beet is very low in calorie. A cup of boiled beetroot is only about 60 calories. So it's very, very low. How does it benefit you? It helps you to lower your blood sugar level. Though it may contain high sugar, as I've said, but it does not get converted quickly to affect your blood sugar level. So it can help also to reduce the complications that arises from diabetes. Complications like nephropathy and even nerves involvement, delay wound healing. This will help you to curb all those complications. And also it helps to increase insulin sensitivity. You see what happened in diabetes? The blood sugar is all over the place. So the cells, the uptake by the cells is reduced. So it's like a fish starving in water, looking for water and inside the sea. So the sugar is all over the place and the body, the cells, is not able to take it to use for energy. And that is the reason why most times they complain weakness, extreme weakness. But beetroot have some metabolites in it that helps to enhance your insulin sensitivity, so that it can help to convert glucose into glycogen for storage. So the other ingredient I'm going to use is cucumber. We all know cucumber is succulent, full of water, rich in vitamin C, rich in folate as well, rich in potassium, and with that it can help you to manage your blood pressure as well. And I cut the beetroot. See the color, red as the blood. Very rich in iron. Now, and I'm going to put a teaspoon. It's a tablespoon, so I'm going to put half of cinnamon. Half a tablespoon, that is a teaspoon. Okay, yeah, this is half. Now, and I'm going. Your heart cardiovascular system can also be helped by cucumber. It contains a lot of magnesium and manganese and vitamin K, so it's very good. And we see the condiment or the spice cinnamon is also very good. Contains flavonoids and it helps in regulating blood sugar level. So let's stop talking and jump right into it. So this is my cucumber. I'm just using half, and I have a beetroot here, boiled beetroot, just one. So I'm going to cut them, slice them into the blender. I have NutriBullet here. I slice them into it. Now I'm going to add some water to it. Put a bit more, okay. Now cover it. So I'm going to blend it with my NutriBullet. Enough. Now bring it out. Oh my God. This is portable, so I can just enjoy it from here. Or if you like, you can pour it into a cup, however you want to do. But I can take it from here. This is lovely. You can take this once in a while, and if you want a permanent treatment, we have a special tea that you can use every day, and that can help you to really manage it until when God help you to be free from it. We have testimonials of people that have used it and they are free from it. Thank you. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that other episodes you can have them. You can use this once in a while because this will bring the sugar down so low, and I'm not diabetic, so I'm going to just use it as my breakfast and add avocado. If not, the blood sugar will be too low. So I'm going to scoop in my avocado and use this as a breakfast. You can use this too if you want. Healthy fat, protein from avocado.